Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add like. So for example, I will insert the cube objects and you can apply materials. I will go to the hyper site, use the shader, I standard surface, and the next you can insert for the texture file. I will use this example image texture, click open, and then you can click these icons to view the texture on the objects. Now, if you want to add likes into these objects, you can go to the Arnold tabs in it. So we have these like options. For example, I will use the area like will be attached into the object, and you can use the move tools to move the like. Okay, I will move to the green axis, and the next we can rotate in the red axis. Now to preview the lights, you also can increase for the intensities at this point, and you can go to the Arnold menu, click on the open Arnold render view. So this is for the preview, and click these icons to start rendering. So it will be automatically add lightnings into this object. You also can increase the lightning by clicking at this slider. So you can increase the intensities for the lights with this slider. You also can try it for another like for the these options. Okay, you can close this render option and you can click here to create mesh like, automatic like, sky domes, like portal, and then physical sky. So that's it for the basic how to add like into the Autodesk Maya.